Stanley Scott. I work for Gregor Walker. I'm working foreman. Could be digging founds one day, digging drains the next. I've had the 220 now for 5 months, and first impressions was I was really impressed with it. It's really, really fast. How easy it is. You just pick up the handles and there it goes. And it is smooth as silk. You really need it for precision work, and with the controls as they are, you can do it no problem. I quite like the convenience key that's come with it. I really like that because you can change it, use it for my phone, you can use it for the windscreen wipers, you use it for everything, the radio. It's really good. All round visibility is really good. I think the cab has been designed round the driver. Soundproofing is really good on it. Noise levels in here are virtually zero. It's the quietest cab I've ever been in. Space in the cab's unbelievably, well, can you see how much room there is? There's loads. Comfort is perfect. Nice comfortable seat. You can't get any better. And you can do your daily checks with no problem. Everything's just there for you to do. You open the doors and they're there. Fuel consumption's absolutely tremendous. It's unbelievable how much less fuel it uses. Really like the digger. Beautiful machine to drive. You'll all be wanting one.